Yeah, lots of regimes that don't fit with our interests. By that we mean anything left of centrist. Labor regulations for the working class. This is what triggers America's wrath.
Yeah.
Take all of its oil for our sockets, and if it protests, we'll just have to sock it. Rather face atrocities and war crimes than face them closing our diamond mines.
Yeah.
Slave labor, stop watching. Just buy the product. The ice caps are dropping, but GDP is popping. Maybe it's unfair, but it makes profits. If it's socialist, then I'm calling it a commie.
Yeah.
Zalaya's a commie. When Young is a commie. Al-Kuwatli's a commie. Mossadegh's a commie. Maybe it's unfair, but it makes profits. If it's socialist, then I'm calling it a commie.
Yeah.
Say we like freedom but support dictators. Say we like free trade but attack their freighters. Help the business interests to whom we cater, with no regard for what might happen later. If they don't cooperate, we call them wicked, but that which we criticize is what we mimic. They say how much war, I say there's no limit. We'll keep our troops in so long as oil's in it. My weapons are gleaming, the children are screaming, but the media likes it, so you don't see it.
Don't see
Trillions of dollars for foreign involvement with unions and progressives. I'm calling it a commie. Yeah, our Benz is a commie. Sukarno's a commie. Lumumba's a commie. Congle is a commie.
Commie.
Maybe it's unfair, but it makes profits.
Oh, yeah.
It's socialist, then I'm calling it a commie.
Yeah.
Yeah, communism is like cancer. No corporations, wrong answer. Stole Guantanamo from the Cubans, now I use it to torture civilians. I don't mean to brag, but the CIA is massive, yeah. Killing peaceful protesters, saving all the free world, yeah. Shoot all of the socialist groups, arrest the Black Panthers too, run dictator school, teach them to torture a coup, genocidal military who testify back, napalm attack, new in Syria, Afghanistan, Iraq. If there are natural resources to steal, call Lockheed Martin, cause we've got a deal. Yeah, Goulart is a commie. Allende's a commie.
Yeah.
Sihanouk's a commie. Torres is a commie.
Oh, yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
it's unfair, but it makes profits. If it's socialist, I'm calling it a commie.
Yeah.